Welcome back. Today we'll be swapping these OEM lenses, indicator lenses and bulbs out for LED ones on the Lowrider ST. So we'll be putting a set of these LED replacement units in. Quite easy really, it's just a 1156 bulb, push and turn, plug and play with smoke lenses. Let's get to it. Okay, same exercise as the front ones. Flat blade screwdriver in the slot, slight twist, pop the lens off. There's the lens. You see the OEM ones doesn't come with any sealant ring on there. Pop the bulb out, 1156 single bayonet. And get the LED inserts in there. Okay, same as the front really. Get the bayonet in there, coil the wires up. Get the unit in there and snap the lens on. That's the lens in. Sorry, the LED lens is in. I'm just going to snap the lens cover on that. There you are, lens snapped on. Sorry I had to put the camera down to use both hands. There we are. Let's do the other side now. Okay, there's the lens out, the bulb. Same procedure as the other side, just pop it out, twist the bulb out. That's what I like with the custom dynamics is the seal. It's got a seal on the lens, which is brilliant. OEM doesn't have a seal. Let's see, 1156 bulb. Push in and turn it. Let's get and fit it. Okay, same procedure as the front and on the other side. I coiled the wire up. It sits in the centre. So these will just sit flush into there. So you can just snap the cover on. So I need both hands a minute so I can just snap that cover into place. See you in a minute. Okay. Snap it into place. I put the groove on the bottom, so but shouldn't. I mean, these shouldn't leak now because obviously they got seals on them. I always noticed the OEM ones when you open the bulb holder up, you always had a little bit of water in there. This should be perfect now, and they match the back as well now with the smoke lens on the back. Let's get them on and see what's going on. Okay, so there's the lights all installed. They look quite good actually, quite happy with them. They match the LED on the OEM tail light now, and they're smoked. I don't know why Harley don't do LED from factory, but there we are. Yeah, quite happy with them. Matches the front now as well. Quick, easy install. Quick mod really. So thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.